Warsaw, the capital and largest city of Poland, is a vibrant metropolis that beautifully blends rich history with modern development. Located in the east-central part of the country, Warsaw is not only the political and economic hub of Poland but also a cultural and historical beacon with an ever-evolving skyline and a strong connection to its past. Warsaw's history dates back to the 13th century when it was a small fishing village on the Vistula River. It gradually developed into an important political and trade center, eventually becoming the capital of Poland in 1596, under King Sigismund III, when the seat of government moved from Krakow. Throughout the centuries, Warsaw witnessed both moments of grandeur and immense tragedy, particularly during World War II. The city was almost completely destroyed during the war, with around 85% of its buildings reduced to rubble. The Warsaw Uprising of 1944 was one of the most heroic and tragic events in the city's history, as Polish resistance fighters attempted to liberate Warsaw from Nazi occupation. In retaliation, the German forces systematically demolished the city. Despite this devastation, Warsaw rose from the ashes, rebuilt brick by brick, and today stands as a symbol of resilience and renewal. Many of the city's iconic landmarks, such as the Royal Castle and the Old Town, were painstakingly reconstructed after the war using original materials and paintings as reference. Warsaw's architectural landscape is diverse, reflecting its turbulent history. The Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a beautiful example of Warsaw's meticulous post-war reconstruction efforts. Its colorful townhouses, cobblestone streets, and the imposing royal castle give visitors a glimpse into Warsaw's pre-war past. The market square, known as the Rynek Starego Miasta, is filled with cafes, restaurants, and local vendors selling traditional crafts. Contrasting the historic Old Town are modern skyscrapers like the iconic Palace of Culture and Science, a Stalinist-style building gifted by the Soviet Union in 1955. Once controversial, it now stands as one of Warsaw's most recognizable landmarks. Today, the city is dotted with cutting-edge office towers, luxury hotels, and residential complexes, symbolizing Warsaw's growth as a dynamic financial center. Warsaw is a cultural hotspot with numerous museums, galleries, and theaters. One of the most significant museums is the Poland Museum of the History of Polish Jews, which offers an extensive exploration of 1,000 years of Jewish history in Poland. Another must-visit is the Warsaw Uprising Museum, which provides a deeply moving account of the 1944 uprising and the city's wartime experiences. Classical music lovers know Warsaw as the birthplace of the famous composer Frédéric Chopin, and the city pays homage to him through numerous monuments, museums, and even an annual international Chopin piano competition. The Łazienki Park, one of the city's largest green spaces, houses the Chopin Monument, where free outdoor concerts are held during the summer. The city is also home to several renowned universities and research institutions, including the University of Warsaw and the Warsaw University of Technology, making it a center for intellectual life in Poland. As the economic capital of Poland, Warsaw is the seat of major financial institutions, international companies, and industries. It has rapidly grown into one of Central Europe's most important business centers, with a thriving tech and startup scene. The city attracts investment from around the world, and its economic growth is reflected in the rapid development of modern infrastructure, such as the expansion of the Warsaw metro system and new commercial districts. Nowy Swiat and Krakowski Przedmieście streets, part of the Royal Route, are major commercial areas lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. These bustling streets, alongside large shopping centers like Złote Tarasy, reflect Warsaw's status as a modern cosmopolitan city. Warsaw is a city that values green spaces and recreation. The Vistula River, which flows through the heart of the city, provides scenic walking and cycling paths along its banks, with many outdoor bars and beach areas during the summer months. The aforementioned Łazienki Park is not only a cultural venue but also a perfect place for a leisurely walk, where visitors can explore its palace on the water, classical sculptures, and peacocks roaming freely. Warsaw is a city of contrasts, where history and modernity meet. Its streets tell stories of triumph and tragedy, with a skyline that reflects both a painful past and a promising future. From its reconstructed old town to its modern financial district, Warsaw captures the essence of Poland's resilience and forward-looking spirit. Whether you're interested in history, culture, business, or simply enjoying a vibrant urban atmosphere, Warsaw has something for everyone. It is a city that continues to grow and transform, making it one of Europe's most fascinating destinations.